It gives us the flexibility and the ability to schedule content for every single day. One of the common things our clients, or the people we talk to in general, one of the common challenges they face is not having enough content, or not having any ideas to come up with content, or they just don't know where to start. And in the world of social media, content is king. And not only that, you've also got to be consistent with whatever social platforms you decide to be on. So the question is, do you have a content strategy that you're implementing, or you just kind of like, feast and famine? You do a photo shoot or whatever it is, and then you use it all up on social, and then you're, scrambling for more content there. If you find yourself similar to what our clients go through, you're losing the attention of your potential customers, and even losing followers because of your lack of consistency. So today we're going to be talking about Vision Paradox's content strategy. So by the end of this video, by the end of today, you'll have an in-depth understanding of our content creation strategy, so you have an infinite amount of content to work with on whatever platform you're on. Alright, so before we get right into it, make sure you hit like and subscribe and share this with friends who you think might benefit from it. Alright, so one of the reasons we did this, the thing that sucks with social media is that when you post something, you get that attention for a little bit, but then with the next 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, it's like lost in history. Going off on a tangent real quick, it makes sense why Instagram and Facebook have their algorithm to showcase some of your friends' content to really maximize, the exposure of that content. Because if everything was chronological and you're like following, 500 friends and everything's just coming at you like a straight timeline, you're never going to see that update your friend posted from last Saturday about their trip in in the Philippines. So that's why I kind of like Instagram and Facebook's algorithm. It gets a chance to get love from everyone who hasn't seen it yet. So I digress. Anyways, rolling back to sharing a piece of content and then getting lost into ancient history in social media within the next 30 to 48 hours, 30 minutes to 48 hours, excuse me. It came back to like me wanting to share a piece of content more than once. Like, why not? Like, if I saw a piece of content perform really well one time, why not share it again 6 months later? And just something I do every single year. Like this one piece of content that I have, which is of me dancing at a street show, it got love last year, and then I shared it again this year, and people loved it even more. It just grew in popularity because now I have more followers. I have friends who didn't get a chance to see it. I have followers who didn't get a chance to see it. This content strategy gives us an opportunity to create a library of content you can work with, repurpose, and just keep sharing. All right, so the second reason we like doing this is because it gives us the flexibility and the ability to schedule content for every single day. Sometimes there are going to be drought months where clients don't have anything new, and sometimes there's going to be new stuff where we can shift everything that's scheduled a week later or a month later and have that be the priority, or we can have that be layered on top and make that the priority on top of what's already there. It really gives us a nice buffer and a nice foundation to make sure that all the social media platforms have content going out every single day.